New Amway Home SA8 Black Liquid Laundry Detergent is specially designed to keep dark fabrics from fading, wash after wash. Clothes will look newer longer with more vibrant colours. For this demonstration, you will need 1 pair of rubber gloves, 3 pre-cut 100% cotton strips, 1 cup of SA8 Black, 1 cup of universal liquid laundry detergent, liquid dye, 2 disposable pipettes or droppers, 1 teaspoon, 4 bowls of cold water, and paper towels. Wearing rubber gloves, add 1 teaspoon of liquid dye to one of the containers of water and stir. Add the strips of fabric to the dye mixture and let it absorb for 30 seconds. Once saturated, squeeze any excess dye solution from the strips and place on a paper towel. Using the disposable pipette, cover one piece of cloth with SA8 Black until it's fully covered with detergent. Using the other pipette, cover the second piece of material with universal liquid laundry detergent. Rinse each cloth in separate bowls of water. Agitate until the detergent is completely removed and then squeeze out the excess liquid. The fabric treated with SA8 Black retains more dye than the cloth washed in universal liquid laundry detergent. It even looks the same as the cloth rinsed only in water. This shows how SA8 Black keeps your black and dark fabrics looking newer, longer.